Ever built a beautiful Power BI dashboard only to have your background shapes jump to the front every time you click them? By default, Power BI brings whatever you click to the top layer so you can edit it. That's great for building charts, but it's frustrating for design elements like headers and backgrounds, and it completely breaks the user experience. Today, I'm going to show you the secret setting to lock your layer order for good. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. Along with the MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning through comprehensive tutorials. Let's dive in. In this example, we have 3 layers: a rectangle shape, a map, and a pie chart. Notice how the rectangle and the map, which are intended to be the background, pop in front of the chart whenever I click them. We've previously shown you how to move visuals backward and forward in Power BI Desktop, but that doesn't always stop this popping behavior in the published Power BI service report. First, let's see what we're working with. Go to the View tab and click on the selection. Here, you can see all your layers. Select the background element that keeps jumping to the front. In this case, I'll select the shape layer. Now, head over to the Format pane on the right. Keep in mind that for some elements, like maps, the format options live within the Visualizations pane. Navigate to General, then expand the Properties section. Click on Advanced Options, and you'll see a toggle for Maintain Layer Order. Switch that to On. Now, even when a user clicks that background shape in the published report, it stays exactly where you put it, behind your data. It won't pop forward anymore, allowing users to interact with your visuals seamlessly. Just a quick note, this functionality is specific to the Power BI service. It won't change the behavior inside Power BI Desktop, where you'll still use the Selection pane to manage layers while editing. That's it. Your layers are now locked and your dashboard is bulletproof. If this saved you a headache, hit that like button and subscribe for more Power BI workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.